It consists 23% of water. It consists 23% of water discharge area. It consists 77% of water discharge area. Imagine that here is the Gujarat and this side Arunachal Pradesh. So this will be the west and this will east. So the east to west flowing river are Narmada. First one is Indus, Narmada, Tapi, Mahi, Periyar. So these are the main five rivers which discharge their water in Bay of Bengal, in Arabian Sea. Sorry, they discharge their water in Arabian Sea. Now the Bay of Bengal, it consists 77% of area water discharge area. Now the river which discharge their water in Bay of Bengal are Ganga, Brahmaputra, Krishna, Kaveri, Godavari, Mahanadi. It consists